kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ kẹ́ actor Ibrahim Chatta ló gbé Tóyìn Abraham mọ́ra tó léyìí láì ṣe pé bóyá wọ́n act lọ́wọ́ real màlélẹ́ ìkẹ́ ẹ̀yìn èèyàn mi kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé dádì ìrédè máa láìkẹ́ báyìí torí ọ́gìn yìí ó lẹ́tìkẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mo tún kí yín káàbọ̀ lákòókò yìí bó lójú ọjọ́ lọ́dọ̀ tìyín ohun tá a tún bá lọ́wọ́ actor Ibrahim Chatta pẹ̀lú Tóyìn Abraham especially Tóyìn Abraham eré tó ń ṣe àfi bíi tọmọ ìkókó ó ga jù abẹ́rẹ́ bí actress Tóyìn Abraham bó ṣe fò mọ́ Ibrahim Chatta tíyẹn náà gbé àfi bíi bébì bígbàpọ̀ orí àbúrò àbí ọmọ ẹ̀ ó ga o closeness yìí pọ̀ o justice for daddy re o yes justice fún daddy re anyway on a lighter mood a mọ̀ pé eré òun náà làwọn méjèèjì jọjọ ń ṣe wọ́n kàn jọ ń ṣeré pa ni they are just happy to see each other beside that gan sef a mọ̀ pé òun pẹ̀lú Ibrahim Chatta wọ́n ti jọ wà tipẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni they've been together for like 20 years now lásìgbà tí Tóyìn Abraham ti wà ní tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ eré fíìmù náà ti jọjọ ń ṣeré fíìmù bọ̀ and so it is normal pé àwọn méjèèjì máa ṣeré pátán bá ti ríra wọn but gbígbé yẹn nìkan ni it's like pé àwọn méjèèjì ti ríra wọn ó ṣe díẹ̀ ó tójọ́ mẹ́ta so it is a normal thing pé àwọn ayọ̀ mọ́ra wọn and sincerely àwọn méjèèjì wọ́n jẹ́ òṣèré tíátà Yorùbá tó ṣe pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí wọn tí wọ́n dẹ̀ máa appreciate iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe torí àwọn méjèèjì wà so hardworking àwọn ọ̀pọ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ bó ṣe máa ń gbéra wọn charisma wọn àti bó ṣe wà hardworking. ẹ ti rí comment section fídíò wọn yìí gan lásán àfi gbígbà pé dáàdì rẹ rán àwọn commenters sí actor Ibrahim Chatta ni torí àwọn commenters yìí serious ẹnìkan Felix ó ní Ibrahim abeg small on our wife don't hug her too tight again if you don't want us to come over to your village to protest title of our protest would be don't hug Mama Ire too tight again with laughing emoji very sincerely speaking funny bàjẹ́ don't hug Mama Ire too tight kẹ̀ ṣé dádì Ire ròyìn iṣẹ́ ni ẹ̀yin commenters ṣé dádì Ire ròyìn iṣẹ́ ni ẹ jẹ́ kí àǹtí Tóyìn kí wọ́n jayé wọn jàre another person náà Ọláníyàn Ọmọwùmí ó ní oh my God her husband dey try he marry Mrs. Ben the comedian I swear whenever I watch her movie I laugh throughout God bless her abio sincerely Tóyìn Abraham can be so funny and she can be playful around anybody Adegoke Funmilayo ó ní wow daddy Ibrahim Chatta really tried a lot but I hope they will always pay him well to what he did in fact so wise on his job okay Aleruwa Felicia Ayemi Ononi I think she grew up among men she can be troublesome your husband na man abio sincerely speaking ẹni ẹlẹ́ni kan ṣeré ń tiẹ̀ ni Princess Vicky Abejoye ó ní I so much love her free-minded act so much whenever she came around her senior colleagues and the kind of respect she used to give them is a top notch. Mommy Ray can't love you less and my one and only world best Ibrahim Abiodun Omo Chatta. So many people show one love lábẹ́ comment you sincerely to tell you that people really love these two actor and actress. Olayemi Olobe ó ní Ibrahim Chatta you are too much God bless you more. Olayemi Olasoji náà ní this is just the beginning of what God is going to do in your life more success ahead amen. Francisca Olúṣọlá ní I love Tóyìn Abraham and her spirit is pure. I also love Ibrahim Chatta. Another commenter Gbemisola Oyenike náà ní I know she will jump on that bed and she did. Kind-hearted woman Mommy Ire remain blessed sir at Ibrahim Chatta abio she can be so predictable sincerely her playful attitude can be so predictable. Rachel Ifeoluwa Abiola náà ní Tóyìn àfi bí ọmọdé very good hearted abio Oga Johnson Donald náà ní Mama Ire is just too loyal calm humble friendly natural and everything words can't tell how much I appreciate and love you grow in God's grace. Adeale Funmi ó náà ní this is the kindest way to reciprocate good gestures I love you all supporting one another. Sekinat Olagold náà ní Uncle Ibrahim good work God will continue to bless you. Amen, a big amen. Sincerely, a lot of commenters ni wọ́n show love wọn fún àwọn méjèèjì both Ibrahim Chatta àti Tóyìn Abraham to tell you that people really love them and love what they are doing. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ máa bá mi jẹ́ opinion ti yín náà sí comment and ẹ má gbàgbé láti máa follow DJ Naija online lórí Facebook link tó wà ní comment section video àgbẹ̀yìn lórí page wa agbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣe darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí YouTube ẹ̀yin náà máa bá wa click lórí subscribe button tó wà lábẹ́ fídíò yìí kẹ́sì máa like ẹ máa bá mi share kó máa lọ lórí ayélujára. Ká tún pàdé láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà. Ó dàbọ̀.